my name's Andrew and I'm here to show you how to get that matte look in your edits. Let's not hang around, it's very easy. You're going to use either Lightroom or Snapseed. You're going to whip into one of those editors and you're going to go straight into curves. Let me show you. Bang, into curves. I'm going to put a point in the middle and a point 3/4 of the way down the curve. Then I'm going to raise the lowest part and then hit done, because that is the matte effect right there. That was a super quick and easy one, and hopefully it's taught you something. If it has, like button and subscribe, much appreciated. My name's Andrew. Matte everything if you can. Thanks for watching.